Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 11 of our Vlogmas series. Today we're making Christmas Snickerdoodles cookies. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. So the ingredients we'll be needing are brown sugar and white sugar, butter but I'm using margarine, sifted flour, 1 egg, baking soda, cream of tartar, salt and vanilla, then our granulated sugar and cinnamon for coating. In a clean bowl we're going to cream our butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. So now I'm going to run you through the process of making these cookies and then you watch the video and I'm going to come towards the end of the video. So what you're just going to do is cream your butter and sugar and then until it is light and fluffy. Then afterwards you're going to add your egg and your vanilla essence and you're going to cream that again, and after that you're now going to prepare your dry ingredients by adding your baking soda and your cream of tartar and salt into your sifted flour, and then you're going to fold the flour into your butter mixture, and please be gentle and don't over mix so your cookie doesn't come out tough. It's supposed to be a soft and chewy cookie. And then you're going to get an ice cream scoop or whatever you need to use and scoop your cookie dough into your granulated sugar and cinnamon powder mixture, and then you're going to coat the dough, each of the dough balls, and then put in your baking tray and then bake in your preheated oven for about 10 to 11 minutes. And when they're out, you just let it cool on your wire rack and then you can decorate your cookies and you have yourself the most delicious, soft and chewy Snickerdoodles cookies. Thank you all so much for the love so far on my Vlogmas series. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you. And if you've not liked this video, please go ahead and like the video right now and also leave a comment and let me know if you'll be trying this cookie. So now I'm decorating with royal icing and then I'm using the So here is our beautiful Christmas Snickerdoodles cookies. I hope you're going to try this. I hope it inspires you to try. Please do this for the Christmas holiday and your family is going to love it. Your friends are going to love it. And I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Happy baking!